Business Industrial Network proudly presents the computer-based training on mechanical seals. This computer-based training is designed to give you the fundamentals of mechanical seal operation and design. Exclusive features like troubleshooting and seal selection also make this package an effective maintenance tool. Both interactive and conventional skill tests certificate printouts are also included. Graphics, 2D and 3D animations, interactivity, and text are designed to describe the various types of arrangement of seals. There are various 2D and 3D graphics showing assembled and dismantled views of different seals. The module dedicated to troubleshooting of seals is full of drill downs, summary sheets, and printouts to help solve the problem. The API 682 Guided Seal Selection Tool serves as a valued assistant towards understanding and performing seal selection. The selection tool facilitates easy, precise, interactive, and recorded selection of the required seal, avoiding the cumbersome, confusing, and recordless paper-based selections. This computer-based training on mechanical seals is sure to make a comprehensive reference and maintenance tool for understanding and selecting mechanical seals. For more information on this computer-based training solution and for other computer-based training solutions, please visit www.bin95.com/cbt.htm.